So installing RAM is one of the basic hardware installations you can get. To install RAM, all you need to know is just how to get the side of your computer case off and where to find it. So RAM is generally, if we zoom out a bit, okay, I'm zoomed out a bit. So think of this as the back of your computer where all your ports are at the back, and normally your computer isn't on a flat like this. So you open up the side of your case, and you'll see something a little bit bigger than this because this is a smaller motherboard than usual. If we turn it on its side, that should give us a better perspective. So we have a PCI slot here that's used for mainly graphics cards and other peripherals that you can slot in there, and that'll give you access to them. And then up here on our right, we have what are called DIMM slots. So the DIMM slots are where your RAM sits in, or random access memory. It's where everything that's stored when your computer is running sits. So this is a stick of RAM, and if you're watching this video, I hope you know what this is. So this is DDR3 RAM. This is Corsair RAM with a heatsink on the top of it. Yours can look anything from greenish, like on the sides of it, or red, or whatever color. So installing it is quite simple, really. I mean, it's just getting it lined up and getting it in correctly. So if we adjust the camera a little bit, I'll just put that up there for now. You also want to make sure you don't have static, and you also do not want to hold the RAM by the gold plates. So that seems to be good. And if you take a closer look at your motherboard slot and your RAM slot, you'll notice that on DDR3 RAM, you can only insert it one way. So on the right hand side we have a smaller connector, and on the left hand side there's a bigger connector. Same thing happens with your motherboard. So on the right hand side it's smaller, on the left hand side it's bigger. Now for this, you see these little clips here. These clips can either be in one state, which is up, which will be what happens after you insert your RAM in, or down. So for this tutorial we're going to have the RAM slot down, so I can easily put it in. So then we just line it up on one side, and yeah, basically it's just getting it lined up. I mean, sorry if my face is probably in the camera view. Oh my god. And that's slotted in properly. Then we just push on the left hand side till that clicks in, and on the right hand side we'll click it in again until that clips fully in. So you know that happens when you hear the click, and that's nothing really breaking, although it could break quite easily. But it means it's clicked into place, and then it cannot fall out. So that is a stick of RAM that's 8 gigs, and you can do the same for the other stick if you want, if you wish. And to remove it again, obviously you just click that switch there and take it out. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more tech reviews, unboxings, and computer videos. Bye.